Welcome to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. My name is Saffron, and today I'm going to be opening the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for June 2022. It's a subscription. It's about $30 per month. I got an email from Ipsy a day or two ago, and it says they're going to add a $2 packaging fee or shipping fee for all the bags. So it's going to go up. So it's going to be a little bit more than $30 a month, but it's a pretty good deal. You get like 5 full-size products, and they're expensive products. They're not cheap products. And you get to choose 3 out of 5 of them, so it's a pretty good deal. The other 2 Ipsy chooses for you. And the last couple of months, the selections have been a little bit better. The second and third of each month, get to choose the 3 products, and the selection last couple months has been really good. This month I could choose like face tools that were like $100, but I didn't choose them because I got so many tools already. So I mostly got like skincare kind of items. I think I got 1 makeup item, but I got items that I know that I will use up. Makeup kind of sits around for a while. I only wear makeup once or twice a week. This week I've been wearing it more because I've been off this week, so that's that. And I just want to mention this. I think last month I lost a follower because of something. Like I got a card in my last month, that like a tarot card, and I think they left my YouTube page and my social, but I'm not going to filter out my opinion. It's going to be, I'm going to say what I feel. I'm going to give my opinion, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it or anything. So I want to give this an honest unboxing. I don't want to make it sugarcoat it to make people like me or something. I'm just going to, I don't like tarot cards. I don't like stuff like that. So if that offends you, then go watch some other person's channel. I'm not going to filter my opinion. It's just going to be an honest opinion. Just my opinion. If you don't like it, just go to another channel. Sorry. But I just want to give you that warning. I'm going to give a honest unboxing. I'm not going to filter it. I'm not going to cuss or anything like that, but I'm going to give an honest review. I just want to make that clear to my subscribers. I know I don't have many, but I just want to make this an honest unboxing. I don't want to sugarcoat it. I want to give it, I paid for this, so I just want to give a fair, honest, review of it. A lot of stuff on YouTube, they're just kind of, some people are paid to give reviews and stuff like that, but I'm not. I'm just a regular person that subscribes to Ipsy. And if my opinion offends you, I don't even cuss on this channel. Y'all just go elsewhere. I'm not going to sugarcoat it to please anybody. Okay. Well, that's my rant. I'm going to go ahead and box it. And I got it in a box this month. I didn't even have many add-ons. I think that's kind of weird. I just had 1 add-on, and it was like a little sample size. But this is a box I got it in. Pretty nice. Some months I get a box, but... And here's inside. Discover yourself. They packaged it up nice. They usually don't put it in a box, but maybe it's too heavy. I think it might have been a little too heavy to put in a little pouch thing. It's like spongy packaging in it. And this is a bag this month. I think it's cute. It's not my favorite. Now my favorite one, I think, of this kind of pouch was last month, which was like a floral pink or purple floral pattern. It's like a pink popsicle stick. It's okay. It's cute. It's not my favorite. Most favorite, pouch I've ever gotten. So let's go ahead and open it up, and everything's in here. I think the products were a little bit too heavy for just a regular pouch, so that's why they put it in a box. Here's my first product. It's a Rhodile Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. I believe this is one I chose. There's a little cleanser. I'm about to run out of cleanser, so that's why I chose this one because I was running out of cleanser. Let me see what the retail value of it is. Retail value is $50. And it looks pretty nice. It's supposed to brighten up your complexion, so it's always good to have a cleanser. So that's that one. The next one up is a Dr. Zenovia Hormonal Dermatology Hyaluronic Acid plus Peptide Serum. Sorry. Let me lower the light so you can kind of see the packaging. There it is. You can kind of see it. Sorry that light's kind of bright. Dim it a little bit more so you can see it. Open it up. This is one that Ipsy chose for me. Clinical grade plumping hydration. Just a nice, serum. Let me see. Yeah, Ipsy chose this for me. Let me get to this is $72, so this is a high dollar serum that I only paid $30 for. That's what I love about this subscription. You get expensive products and you don't have to pay the full price for them. Can't beat that. And it's good. It's good stuff. It's not, it's not like going to Dollar Tree and buying a serum. This is the good stuff. Let me see what else we got. Got this Galactic Metallic Shadow Stick. Metallic Shadow Stick in the shade Riches. Can't remember I think this is like a blue shade. We'll see. It's like a pearlescent blue shade. Let me kind of swatch. Well, it's kind of like a. I don't know if you can see it. Good. It's like. Let me dim the lights a little bit. It's like a metallic gray blue shade. I have to try it out. I think it'd be nice as like an eyeshadow topper. Like you put your eyeshadow on and you put like your crease and all that stuff, and you like use this as a topper. Yeah, that'd be like a topper, like an inner corner highlight kind of thing. It's nice. It's $20. That's a fair price. It feels nice quality too. Doesn't feel cheap. Let's see what else we got. This one, I believe Ipsy chose this for me. It's like a Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. I'm kind of getting low on moisturizer, so Ipsy knew what I needed. Let's see what the value of it is. Value is $64. It's pretty good price. I mean, it ain't cheap, but you know you're getting the good stuff when it's that value. Let's see. Next item I chose a necklace. I don't know. I'm glad they kind of had a variety of choices. Like they even had, had jewelry you can choose. And it's pretty cute. It's like a compass. It's Lovita. Be true to yourself. Life is about the journey, not the destination. Follow your own direction. It will always show you the way. Yeah, it's about the journey because, you know, you make plans for your life or whatever. My life has never went to plan, so it's definitely about the journey. You cannot plan the destination. To me, it's what God chooses for you. You know, it's not up to you, it's up to God what He wants for you. That's just my belief. Let's see what the value of this is. It's kind of got a little rhinestone on it. I think it's cute. $30. I wouldn't pay $30 for this, but it, you know, I think it's kind of nice and something different to get in the subscription. Sometimes you get tired of all the makeup and stuff, so, and skincare, so I chose a necklace. Next item, this was an add-on. And this is a good brand to add on because it's like a sample size, but it's Tatcha that's very expensive. It's like a little night cream. Let me look at the info for it. It's probably not going to say the value. It is a sample size. It's to hydrate and heal your skin while you sleep. So it's kind of like I guess a sleeping mask you kind of sleep with. I like stuff like this. Like, it makes your, you can put it on overnight, and when you wake up in the morning, your face feels so smooth and soft. So, it's like a little night cream, and it's made in Japan, so it's like Japanese skincare, I guess. But I got that one, and that's all that I got this month. Well, except for this little card. You get a little card. I usually just throw this out because it don't say the product information. I have to look online for it, but I usually throw these out. Well, that's all that I got in my box, or my bag. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, please subscribe, please follow my social media in the description below. Please join my group. My group is Beauty and Beauty Boxes. It's now reached 1.4K members. I'm so happy that it's growing and it continues to grow. I'm glad people love my group. You know, hope it grows and grows, you know. And I got a new TikTok channel, or I guess it's a channel or a profile, whatever you want to call it. My name on there is @saffron_Marie, and I'll have it down in the description below. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day. Goodbye.